Hello, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on INFINIX Note 11 Pro. So we have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search and click install. So you have to start by clicking open and then click on this button to skip introduction and click open permissions. Then select the app AI assistant to allow this app to display over other apps. And now you can go back, then click start, and as you can see right here there is my ChatGPT widget and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.